Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Epic KB, and in this video I will be continuing to show you how to solve the Rubik's 3x3 cube. And this video is based on how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's cube. Okay, so without any further ado, let's move on to the video. While solving the second layer of the 3x3 Rubik's cube, we will be having only two cases. First, when the edge is oriented towards the left, and second, when the edge is oriented towards the right. Here in the green and orange edge, we have the left orientation 1, and we will solve the I will show you how to solve both the cases. You just have to remember two simple algorithms and that's all, nothing else. So when case 1, that is left orientation, appears, you have to hold the cube keeping the right face where the edge has to come in front of you, of course taking white as the bottom, and perform the algorithm RW U RW prime U prime RW prime F, then RW F prime, and that will solve the left orientation edge. Okay, so now let's see. Now we have the right orientation. For the right orientation, you have to do the left version of this, that is LW prime U prime LW U R U prime R prime and then F prime, and that's it. Okay, now we have one stuck here, so I just took it out, and then it was, as you can see, it is a left orientation, so we will do that algorithm, and done. So now this was all for the video, and now congrats, you have solved your 3x3 Rubik's cube till the second layer. You just have to remember these two easy algorithms. I will just put them in the description down below, but you just have to remember these two easy algorithms. You can write it somewhere and keep it, and it's easy to remember these, or you can practice them and remember them. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Wait a second, before leaving, uh, you should check out my previous two videos in which I gave the introduction to the Rubik's 3x3 and told you how to solve the first layer. If you haven't checked them out, please go check them out, otherwise you will not understand a word I am saying. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.